Thinking about turning your Mac M1 into a lean, mean Ethereum mining machine? Let's explore if that's even possible, given its unique architecture. First, let's be real, the M1 wasn't built for mining. Its integrated GPU isn't as powerful as dedicated graphics cards you'd find in a typical mining rig. This means the hash rate, which is basically the speed at which your machine can solve complex math problems to mine, will be significantly lower. However, there are mining software options that can run on macOS. Look for those that are compatible with the M1 architecture. Some CPU miners are available, but GPU mining, even with limited power, is more efficient. Be sure to research and download software from reputable sources to avoid malware. Next, you'll want to join a mining pool. Solo mining is incredibly difficult with the limited processing power of the M1. Pools combine the resources of many miners, increasing your chances of earning rewards, which are then distributed proportionally. Now, the crucial part: profitability factor in the cost of electricity, which can eat into your earnings significantly. Use online mining calculators to estimate your potential profits based on your hash rate and current Ethereum prices. Remember, the M1 is energy efficient, but lower hash rate also means lower returns. Consider the Ethereum Landscape. The move to proof of stake significantly reduces or eliminates the need for mining altogether, making your investment in mining software and effort potentially obsolete. So, can you mine Ethereum on an M1 Mac? Technically, yes, but with lower hash rates, energy costs, and the shift away from proof of work, profitability is likely to be minimal. It's something to carefully consider before you get started.